Hi, hello friends. Welcome in today's session of introduction of alphabets. Friends, today's session is very basic session of English grammar, and the first session of English grammar is alphabets. The alphabets, this word of alphabet is derived from Greek language. Alpha and beta. These two words combine together to form this alphabet. In English grammar, there are 26 alphabets. 26. There was one more alphabet which stand as 27th alphabet, that was ampersand. Ampersand. This was 27th alphabet. Professionally, it is used as a symbol. Okay, these 26 alphabets, these are in uppercase, which is called as uppercase alphabet as a capital alphabet, and in lowercase it is called as small alphabet. Then these alphabets further it is divided into consonants and vowels. Okay, the consonants and vowels, there are 21 consonants and 5 vowels. 21 consonants and 5 vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O and U. A, E, I, O and U. While pronouncing these vowels, we do not find any difficulty. Means it's very easy to voice. It is very easy to pronounce. In these 5 vowels, A and I, these two vowels stand itself as a word. Means, for example, we say a bus, a tree, a tiger. I as a myself. For example, I as a myself. Okay, these two words constitute words. These two vowels are constitute words. And you know it very well that consonants, there are 21 consonants. No need of going more detail into it. And these vowels and consonants, there is one major difference into consonants and vowels. The major difference is of pronunciation. Consonants, while pronouncing the consonants, we feel that our breath is somehow blocked. Means our breath is somehow blocked, and while vowel, we feel very easy to pronounce the vowels like A, E, I, O and U. While expressing these 5 vowels, I find it very easy. You will also find it very easy while pronouncing A, E, I, O, U. Just very simple way. Now, no need to go into detail to the consonants. We will move further. Vowels. There are 2 important parts of vowels. Vowels is subdivided into 2 major parts. One is diphthongs and another one is pure vowel. Pure vowel, for your information, just keep in your mind that pure vowel is very easy way. It is long sound vowels and short sound vowels. Long sound vowels, examples of the long sound vowels are path, door, bird, sheep, moon. Means while pronouncing this, we feel that there is long sound, and short sound vowels are peat, bed, in a very simple way, cap, cup. This is for your information only, but we should more concentrate on the diphthongs part. Okay, diphthong. Okay, means you have to more concentrate on the diphthong parts. There are 8 types of diphthongs. Friends, you may be a little bit confused with the word diphthong. Friends, just I told you that diphthong, we have to concentrate more on the diphthong part. Diphthong is just mixture. It is mixture of 2 parts. Means consonant plus vowels or vowels plus consonant. While pronouncing the diphthong, while pronouncing the diphthongs, our tongue changes its position. Correct, no friends? While pronouncing some alphabets plus vowels, when we pronounce, then our tongue changes its position. There are 8 types of diphthongs: AW, AU, EW, OU, OI, OY, OU, and OW. These are the 8 types of diphthongs. AW, for example, straw, STRAW, straw. Draw, drawing also. Law, LAW. AU, the example of this one is author, AUTHOR, author. EW, crew, flew. FLEW, here EW, blew. OU, food, I'm sorry, this one is double O, food, zoom. OI, example of this one diphthong is OI, coil, coin, or oil. OY, this diphthong, example of this one is boy, toy. Further, OU, OUT, SHOUT means shout. Further, OW, OWL, owl, or cow. These are some of the examples of diphthongs. This session, you might have understood that alphabet, we were at the very basic part of the English grammar, first session, but very important, because without knowing these things, when you move ahead, it will be difficult to know the basic of the grammar. Means, students, we were on consonant part, we were on the vowels part. Consonant part examples I already told you, B, C, D, G, these things. But important is the vowel part. 5 vowels in your lifetime, you have to understand. The vowels are very important part of English grammar. Like A, E, I, O, U. While forming any type of sentence, you will need these things in your future. You will need for forming better type of sentences. Vowel is very important. So we have learned vowels are having subdivided into 2 parts: pure vowels and diphthong part. Pure vowels, I also told you, long sound and short sound vowels. And diphthong parts, I have told you that there are 8 types of diphthongs. Now in this session, I have tried to cover the basic structure of the introduction of alphabet. Now in the next section, you will find in next session, we will take parts of speech. Here you will come to know the basic structure of the sentence, basic structure which forms the sentence, that are the parts of speech, our speech. Okay, till then, if you like this video, please subscribe it and please be in touch for the next video.